successful. So why am I still with you?
We will fix everything together.
What if life changes?
Together we can face anything. I want you, not money.
I don't want money. I want you.
I hope time proves that true. Maybe this is just the beginning of hard days.
Why don't you do anything?
I am trying. Just bad time.
When will this bad time end?
Soon. Just wait a little.
I am tired of this life.
This is the life you accepted.
I chose you, not poverty.
And now you are leaving me?
I can't live like this anymore.
So you are leaving?
Yes, I want a better life.
Or a better man?
You will never be successful.
Maybe you are wrong.
You were rich all this time?
You only saw what I allowed you to see.
I made a mistake.
No, you made a choice.
I was wrong.
Realization always comes late. In life, everything is about money, not love. Love doesn't matter anymore. Subscribe to KHB Learn English and learn English through cinematic stories. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only.